Hello and welcome back. So guys, there in this class I'm just gonna teach you to download the jQuery and the Bootstrap to create some more interesting things, and you don't need to depend on the internet. Maybe you can lose your connectivity, so how these websites run and how we run the Bootstrap. So I'm just going to the getting started, actually the get Bootstrap website, and there you can see that the download Bootstrap link. We don't go to the source code or SAS, simply click on the download Bootstrap. I just clicked there, and then you can see that I'm just using the IDM. That is why I got the link like that. I'm just clicking there, and then here I'm just going to the desktop because the file is in the desktop, the Bootstrap, and I'm just simply saving the file in the Bootstrap. Click on this start download. It's downloaded. Close. Now go down and there is the Bootstrap file. You can see that. Simply unzip or actually extract to raw or whatever. Now I got the real file, so I'm just deleting the Bootstrap distribution zip, and there is the original and unzipped file. I'm just going inside, going more inside. You can see that there is a CSS folder, there is a JS folder, and there is a fonts folder. Okay, first of all, let's just simply cut all these folders, okay, and go back more. Where you place the index.html file, simply paste the files there. Okay, now you know that the Bootstrap distribution folder is empty, so simply delete the Bootstrap 3.3.5 distribution folder, and there you have the files which you necessarily need. So now I'm just gonna teach you what it is inside these files. First of all, I'm just opening the CSS folder. You can see that the Bootstrap and Bootstrap minified, they both are same. You know that there is a little difference between the size because the bootstrap.css has extra spaces, white spaces, and line breaks according to the coding and maintaining readability of the file. The size is 144 KB, and the minified version is 120 KB. You can use both of them, and these are the, you know that the Bootstrap theme files. We don't need the themes, as I just if you remember that I just deleted the theme. Okay, this is a specific theme of the Bootstrap we won't use. So there are the files I'm gonna use. Okay, you can use the min or the CSS as well. Now I'm just going to the JS folder, and there are the files npm. This is necessary, the Bootstrap min and the Bootstrap. Just place all these files there. You can delete the minified version or JS according to your need or according to your requirement, whatever you think to use. So now I'm simply removing the source code there, okay, right now. And then we actually don't need this integrity or cross origin something. Let's just remove all that things. Simply just put these src, save that, and then because you know that we are in the script tag, so we are gonna add the script. So js folder slash bootstrap slash, or sorry, .js. I'm using the bootstrap.js. I can use the min one as well. I'm removing the here the href, and then removing the integrity and cross origin. We don't need that, and going to the href because this is link. So definitely css slash bootstrap dot css, saving, going to the browser, and there refreshing the file. Now you can see that it is actually not working. When I just refresh the file, it was not working, just loading the jQuery file, but after loading the jQuery it's not working. So what is the reason behind this? Going to the notepad, and the reason is bootstrap.js. Well, there you can see that the bootstrap, we have to type bootstrap, which is necessary. Now refresh the file back, okay, and then we got the jumbotron back. Okay, so as I said that the jQuery and the Bootstrap is necessary when we are using the elements which actually worked with the help of the JS files. I'm just removing these files, or actually cutting, save. Now go back and refresh. Now you can see that the jumbotron is visible, is still visible, because the jumbotron has nothing with the JS files, so it's working only with the bootstrap.css file. But when we use the jQuery files as well, or the element which needs the jQuery, so we have to place these files. But right now for the jumbotron. We don't need that, so that's why it was working. So guys, I'm just canceling the getting started folder, the file, and then the jQuery. Okay, so there we have the CDN of the jQuery. I'm going to the browser, and now just simply copy this, the click on the download compressed and click on save link as. Okay, and then just go to the Bootstrap, and then inside, oh sorry, this is the not perfect folder. I'm just going to the desktop, and there is a Bootstrap. Now on the desktop, you go to inside the JS folder where the bootstrap.js file are there. Let's just simply type the jQuery .js and just click on the save. Okay, now I got the file here. You can see that, just closing, and now closing the file there as well. Now there, just change the src and just type js slash jQuery .js, save and refresh the folder. You can see that now we don't need to wait for the browser, the internet connectivity, or any other thing. Our Bootstrap is working. So guys, stay tuned and goodbye.